This is Papa's 1992 Specialized bike. For more than 10 years, in the storage nobody used it. At first I wanted to dispose it. Realizing this was once Papa's treasured possession, I decided to restore it, securing all the parts. I want it restored better than it was before. I'm not a bike expert. I just looked for Specialized .classic bikes and copied it. And
Side
this
mirror.
is the result.
Case. Ilaw with horn. Siyempre, Shimano rin. Lagyan ko nito para cute. Natatanggal. Tata. Ito yung 1992 Specialized bike niya. Quick release na, switch. Tapos ito. So, same old, pinapinturahan ko. Alloy yan eh. Pinalitan ko to. Siyempre, pinapink ko yung body. Binila ko rin ng Specialized stickers. Then, nag-stock up na to. Puro kalawang. Same old classic na Shimano. Brake. Sunray siya. Ito yung classic. So, pina-restore ko lang para luma pa rin siya tingnan. Nilagyan ko lang dito para chain guard. Then, ito, old stand. Ayan. Restored. Ito, ni-restore lahat dyan. So, here you go. Guys, I'm not a bike. Hindi ako bike expert. Basta ni-restore ko lang siya kung saan ako masaya.
I hope Papa will be happy. Kasi I'm so happy. I'll definitely take care of this bike.